OhMyCare is your guarantee of a successful start and the optimal use of your Solidworks and 3D Experience tools. From day one, a dedicated engineer supports you through regular check-ins, turning your tools into a true performance driver. Boost productivity. Your engineer tailors SolidWorks and 3D Experience to your business and processes. Save time. They can remotely take control of your system to unblock your designs whenever needed. Grow your skills. Access our knowledge base, follow e-learning modules, and prepare for SolidWorks expert certifications. Increase performance. Get personalized advice on the most relevant add-on modules for your needs, and test them free for 1 month. With the OhMyCAD service, you get the best out of your software and your money. And you're never left on your own with SolidWorks and 3D Experience. Focus on growth and innovation. We'll take care of the rest. Already trusted by over 2,000 users with an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 from more than 300 Google reviews. Join us now. Turn your investment into true value